Let's choose the right answer for this question. Billing plan type assignment. Okay. So we have different options. Billing item category is a wrong answer. Invoice list is wrong answer. Milestone billing. For milestone billing, you will assign billing type, and third party is wrong. E is periodic billing. So the answer is C and E are the correct answer. Okay, thank you so much for joining the session. If you are not yet subscribed, please subscribe my channel. This is my dedicated Udemy forum, 5,850 students currently I'm holding. All these are the different courses. I'm just providing these links, all courses based on the real time. I specifically recommend for every functional consultant, this one getting mastered to write functional specification and real time idoc training. If you are an SD consultant, this is the best place to learn. 112 hours with 422 lectures. Thank you so much. Thanks for joining the session. Wishing you all the best. Have a great day. Stay tuned with my channel. Thank you so much. Have a great day.